Welcome, and today we're going to be talking about the Gordie Howe International Bridge LED lighting. The bridge will have over 5,000 individual lights with the possibility of programming each one individually. A key feature of the bridge is lighting, which will highlight the bridge towers, cables, and deck. A Canadian artist named Douglas Copeland was commissioned to create a dynamic lighting concept for the bridge using thousands of white LEDs. The lights are energy efficient and require low maintenance. The lighting system will have the ability to adjust based on weather conditions like fog or specific events like migrant bird season. One article here says, Generation X icon Douglas Copeland selected for Bridge Lighting Commission. While many know him as the man who named a generation, Douglas Copeland will soon add bridge lighting artists to his lengthy list of accomplishments. Following an artist selection process during the summer of 2024, Mr. Copeland was announced as a successful candidate who would create a dynamic and striking lighting concept that will grace the Gordie Howe International Bridge. The Windsor Bridge Authority chose the artist to create both a dynamic and static display on 5,000 pre-installed white lights on the bridge deck and 2 towers for the longest stablocade bridge in North America. Copeland, in an interview with the Daily Commercial News, said some of his initial ideas have to do with the current situation of the region that the bridge represents, including the rebirth of Detroit, the transformation of the auto industry, and international trade as represented by the numerous freighters passing underneath the bridge. This must be an older interview. Copeland says, I get the impression that this part of the world is really on the way up. This is reinvention, that's the future. He is here, which I kind of find intoxicating. He said the bridge is more than just the cherry on the cake. It's the cake itself, especially compared to the existing aged 100-year-old Ambassador Bridge. While the Gordie Howe lights, pre-installed by contractor Bridging North America, will be fixed in place, Copeland's art installation will likely not only be a static composition, but fixed sequence. And while the lights themselves will be all white, there are many variations within that color. The final product should be very exciting for people to see, he says. They take you into another realm. They take you from one state of being into another. Well, thank you everyone for watching the videos, and thank you to the subscribers and the channel members. I'll see you in the next video.